All right, take a look at the SEYVUM 5-inch cordless chainsaw. So it comes with a carrying bag. We got instructions. We got some gloves. We got an extra blade, so that's cool. I like the foam packaging. Oh, that's cool. So I've been playing a lot with mini chainsaws lately, and this one definitely feels like the most robust. This is a heavy-duty feeling mini chainsaw. I've also never seen one that actually comes with a guard, so you can cover that up whenever you're done. That's pretty cool. So we do have a guard for the top, so as we're cutting through that will push out of the way. We also have a nice big stop here for the branch, so most of the time when people are starting out with these, they want to cut up here, but then you'll find that it'll start jerking out of your hand. What you actually want to do is put the branch down on the bottom and then cut through like that. That way you don't have to worry about that. So I'm glad that they got that. We also don't need a wrench, so this is a toolless design. That's interesting. Wow, okay. So to adjust the tension on this, you actually just use this knob right here. So you can see on the back it's got that little cam. That's nice. On most of these, you got to have a little screwdriver that you can fit inside there. Again, this is just all toolless. That's very cool. I like that I don't have to have tools to work on my tools. So we tighten this down to lock that up, but to adjust the tension on the chain, all we have to do is loosen that, and then we can righty-tighty, make it tighter, or loosen it up to make it looser. So the idea is we want this to be tight enough that it's not going to fall off of the bar, but not so tight that it's going to cause friction on the bar. So right about there. That's nice. We also have a fully rubberized handle, so again, that feels great in the hand. We also have a safety trigger, so you can't just pull the button and have it go. You have to press in and then pull. We also have this guard here to kind of protect your hand and your knuckles. Very nice. We have 2 batteries, and these are both 2 amps at 12 volts. We got the charging port there at the top. And the charger, it says it's good for 100 and 240 volts, so it's good for international and domestic. And that's 1 amp at 13.5 volts. And we also got a little brush to help clean, and we got a little bottle for some oil. Cool. So let's go see how it cuts. Cool. So yeah, that guy works pretty well.